Abusia ya mama chia mama kwa bebra so mama ni amaudo bi so nsema ya bobo no no pe ye ba na ye de ba be so mo nsem ne do so na poso ni NPP mraso gwafo no e de atom mraso gwenanim se ne enra NDC fo no ye no mraso se empenifo wo mraso gwafiem e ne attorney general shia na de akamu bia no wo mo atitifro ho no masomdwe e ba mraso gwafiem ho no mo
Omampanyin na nado danko akufodo ne sembi okokeka wase north na ebi kra kire senkwantena fie no akopiem e wo court sisi eyi
entity so abato Sompa FM nsem jefa pronso no pe che se anese for short a ena e shoto e wo Ghana mema sei ene Ashanti region nam so e man penifo pino ahyase e kasa e de efa ho
IGP Dr. George Akufudan paron so aba for me asese dia wa hyase e ba pro eko police station ahodo so wo hwe se de omo ba adwuma no esifa
MPP amanyoko no vetting committee de omo adwuma na akwawie ye no mo de atugya se obi bia omo ebeyi na free akansie ni mu no owo 2 days say owo bibia omo se emfankyere empenimfo
Electricity Company of Ghana ECG so ba de hye kokko efansem bi ho
abzafo weni afofro pini akekese ne se kase ababia wo bia na no pay ye bana ye de ababe somwo mede ede na ya abo amali bia boga no pay mene
akua bo akyewa asempa etia
abzafo ye nye brain na nsam no yentutu na sra ne abasa enfomamo ne enfomo enkohyase emfa enfrimra spege fiem enrad ye de to manim se Ghana mraswega fo no kwadwuma se de bia yenim no no se oso omokotena mraswega fiem no moden hyehyɛ papa gu akwam ma Ghana fo no ntuma papa ifra na enra soso no mraswega fo no oso omo ekokɔ ye adwuma na ebra so se oso omo tena se ye adwuma no na yes NDC mraswega fo no ma bakra ansi parliament ho no mo na mpanifo do ma so toto fo no eno mo ko hu se wo mu nua mraswega ni baako ya wo gyina de ama dehia ewo ase no for baton pesa so mraswega fiem ho no mo honorable James Jachikwesin the case ye wo court no enra ena mpanimfo efra asem no e wo court ena honorable Kesel atoba for senso so no enra the case ye wo court no enra na mpanimfo freye nti NDC mraswega fo no ba kokra no no mo a osi mraswega fie mo no mo wo mo nyina tipa eno mo ekọ court se wo mo ekọ akota wo mo nua no mo achi enam so ma nipa pi no a ekasae e de fa sade no a NDC mraswega fo no eye hom enam so ma kuo bi empempi no ano wo mo tade wo mani edi parliament adwumachi Parliamentary Network Africa opening power dano opening Samuel obenkyere se na mianu mu die NDC mraswega fo na monto no mutu ye no encheda amwa kra eye Ghana mine na ayi wonum so mo nkosi anam mraswega fiem de kwan so ano no se bia mo nua bi ho kyere no a awose mo kona mo kokota na chi na mo nyina agi bum na no ma bakra ma adwuma sa no a na ha dwen opening Samuel obensamuel de tu ye ne mu ni
Nyama sadi because na sebe de fie wo hoit no ejuma omu die doso pa na ejuma omu die nzuri ejuma bia this na sebe de mo peni yiti se ejuma no nti se eda so se na se ma sebe de fo ezo mutimi ko ejuma ko die omu juma omu die esi nyina ya na emu se tima mo fo no mo ntimi ankwa na Ghana juma die na ya to nya problem kakra it is important to say na sibo jafo be timia realize say more bi na sibo jafie no yen ni ya select o mo se wo mo ko mi ko na ya na mo intino nyoma hia se ombe shedi ejna ya na mo no na ombe sha prioritize of course enye at the bonnet say na sibo jafo mo dom kuma no be solidarize with omuni abema obi a wo ho find say obi hie bi na court or be corner obi kinya ko ta ni kinya de na so no wo yes no so na wo hwe maybe I could want to I tell them so bit maybe a maximum for no one to announce what they do. The idea and they see the parliament that unity.
I was a phone to open Samuel Obeni attending Canona Epeni Quanchefa or that Parliamentary Network Africa no and an Ochichin Semuditre Semrasviga for no cre a Ghana for near to obey you Musamunkusia name a war Emrasviga Fim Honomo Muni be watching no Ebi any Pamuni and Sabiba Konoma Quakota Machi Namunina Jibumse mo sorry no mochia for so bra na Jumo Honomosa was Samoya na a quacko hardring and I'm summa majority a chief whip abedi tree. opani Abibi Drisu ede atoja se sade na esi ye no omo MPP Braswegafo no a omo ewa dom kese ni mu no omo besre se Braswega ne mpanimfo nane kire ya omo enhia wo ho no mo kosi attorney general na de akamu bia ene de enkofa so ndweba ewo parliament bia no omo embobo ni nyina so no mo titi ni nyina mfiri no mo se be no omo adwuma ye wo parliament no bibia emisi wo no mo ho kwan.
I'm suggesting that perhaps at this moment, the leadership of Parliament would have to step in. Right, Honorable Speaker, the leaders from both sides, they've risen up to challenges like this in the past. And this is one time where that leadership is needed so that some cool heads will prevail. Whatever the matters are, I don't think, and maybe the NDC MPs who are joining us might be able to answer the question. I don't think they are against their members answering any legal questions and challenges that they have before the court. If I hear them very well, I think they have problems with the approach, particularly the daily kind of showing up in court and so on for the honorable member for Asin North. And if that is the matter that is contention, I believe that the leadership of Parliament, together with the Attorney General, is able to deal with this, because at the end of the
Observe way ayo penny aye Habibi Drisu awaye majority chief we pabedi echire ene yete den kana na ochechi nsemu se bebi adro no de mraso gane mpanimfo nyina emrem no mo entrase na de akofa menase pone ade aba bia no omo ntiti fro se be ya omo dwuma wo mraso gefiem no omo betimi de anigye aya bibia nkosi wo mo ehon kwan.
Enra Cotton so ekwasetena sa North Mrashe bedwani o mapawo no Yera James Jachikwesi wokotena na asem no so na ho ne beto odwaso mampanyin na nado danko akufado ne nsem bia campaign aso okokekan by election no so ono de wakoyo mampanyin no obesra de hye ne se omontum obi a ne ho so enyo obi a wobeye MP na so de bia wodi court akoniaba enam so ama lawyer Chatwuchi Kata wone na pamfo kire se omampanyin na nado danko akufado ne nsem a wokae no na court nkahwe na so watifiri no enam so emedo ha kase pa ena edebebre wo munti abanlo ya panyin Yera Godfred ye bo adam so de betu dwa se asema na nado danko akufado ekan ye no ewaye pa enu nti se pese ati ase a emia nkofa ne fa baabi emfa nkasem yemboni ni na obia entumi enya ne ho enti ase me na wo kase de court to asem no akohwe July bosom ne da etoso duba ko se de akani na wo mo edebeto aso dwumade no kwawiye no ene ne director of NDC legal affairs atwetwe nkomo Yera Abraham Amaleba ne semodema yen ebini.
We complain about the daily trial. It doesn't matter whether before the elections or after the elections. It's about the daily trial. We have even said that there's no criminal in this country, or even an accused person in this country who has been tried day to day. We are yet to see that. And so we indicated that it is going to be against Article 19, which talks about fair trial, and Article 296, which has to do with proper discretion. And we are saying that the judge didn't exercise her discretion properly. And for that matter, if she continues without giving hearing to our plea, it will prejudice the case.
Wey aya kwankyerefo wo hwe NDC amanyoko ne mra ho nsem so mranim ni Abraham Amaleba
yedemo free amanyosem na abusuan yedemo akọ apomdire ho nsensem na entiti abato Sompa FM nsem twefo apono so kyesese ye ne mote ai Ghana mayimu ene asantemantama se ya yebutuye ya ye bekase edi mama owiase afa na nyina no yese anese for short ya ena eshoto ewo abaya ya sabia hodo a ewo eye Ghana mema sei ene asantemantamum emperifo kire se every January ede besi eye June ye twam ya book off ede ababe red July mu no so fa casio calculator no asese 1 + 1 2 + 2 no mu a anese for be 7,000 ena womo afiri omayimu akwa manfo aman so a wono eye adwuma yesi sese kura de bi kofa Jamaica onim so de krata ne bro se bia opeso otu kwan kokko ye adwuma oba bia momfa ma wonum etubo so akwakofa Jamaica no anwonwa saa no de akwakopio himalizi krum kinchase krum na je so akwakosho no mo kwakọ ye adwuma omo kọ America ekọ omo kọ Canada ekọ so omo kọ Australia so no ekọ a chese Ghana nurse fo no dwane a ena edwane na de ba ko a chese ehu ho yesi Ghana ye nurse fo no munim adwuma ni momu o ɛna ɔmo nyina adwane kɔ no papa no a ɛwɔ mu no yɛ a yɛatete ɔmo yie no a ɔmo experience ɛne midwife foɔ no ɔmo nyina adwane akɔ ɛbaa ne sɛ no Sompa FM nsɛntwerɛfoɔ ɛne Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association ɔpɛni pa a wɔda no ɛwɔ asantema so ɔpɛni Jones Efriyanto ɛdi nkɔmɔ busa no sɛ na ne yɛkɔ yi a yɛtete ho yi a yɛhwɛ ne saa yɛhwɛ ne sɛ yi nti ɛyɛ wo hwi a ɛnyɛ yɛ anaa
on a push out, a brosa. If I met my report, 7,000 at the Ghana. Now, so more a try, yeah, do more license and a corporate children. A woman has 7,000. This is how we are carried out. Our woman, dear, woman from my and that's why the other story Jamaica. I cannot all call Jamaica and it's free. And she was through Jamaica, so now corporate children and so it's easy. So I won't try as I'm proposing to the two passing and crescent and she was Jamaica home. Into a passing, and so they say, what's up playing with us? To them, so you, mama. Yes, at the end push and pull factor. I'm more from a wabru, Chinono. It's young message for no. And I get my message me especially. What did you say about China? I want you to be able to say, Bruniness, or yes, maybe I said it was so.
I was on to where your Penny Jones Efriyanto to Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association Kuno, Okwa Santemantemua, or and a dano se penny quanchefon watch say 7,000 the course anua, a feast on yake, Ibisusu dim, our mokosa, and also so ye papa womb, our my year, Jumania experience ya, or sank nay, Ghana to Muswabano, Omone Jumano, Moko, they say Nessinia, where we Jumana walk up, Jumana Ketia, 1,002. Connected to one 12 million. Sa 12 million na ye de man Ghana ha say no okọ America and also okọ Ebia Canada. Yes oji yes bosumi say 80,000 was 79,600 and coins into kikabu mu 80,000 800 million no agene bosumi no betra omoko
emrepam ne hye bebu nkonta hwe nsentwerefo a is it Saya mamenom ene papa no munya gide wa ba mu so makasa de musika beboa ateretire nuane akontoaso su kwa hudo na mrepemu na aban etu musika e de ama wo mu no omugu so wo musugu aban so musika no enfie mienu ni nkrofo da wo mo kanti 270 million cedis no aban emetua emfama wo mo ne senti omukoba mo nsese e wo Buffer Stock Company ho enimu ho no ma so munya nkoyo eni anapau ewio anadwo omobeda ho akozi so mu 270 million cedis wo mo nsa ebekan enu ne kasamafo edemasa kuo yiyera kwaku amedome atwetwe nkomo no de to ye nimu se deputy CEO Buffer Stock Company no e de abeto manim se samose ha ya na mobeda de a ene ye hye be mo dan amamodem
deputy CEO ebesrayo kakra you know it's say Mama 50 rooms be say yankoda ho 2222 na Monday CEO say oni e mami na wa kire da obeche sika maye ya manete ase say enye baby a beda ene hia ye nti na e ba pastor sika ene hwehwe anka baby a beda de anka ye obi pa nti enye sika da de a enye de betu ye nan eno kona nchen issue statement omo ba be ye emergency meeting na omo ne Minister of Education and the Minister of Finance omo draw roadmap let me use their word as to how the money is going to be paid.
We yera kwaku amedome kasamafo edman panyifo mudo musika bo ateretire nuane ekonto asosu ko ahudo mu asese de aban amom nsai sifom no
NPP vetting committee na wie wo madwuma ma ene wo de ato ewura no mahodo no a wo mo pe president e de NPP amanyuku no de mu se wa ye be yi afiri mu bia no ya ma 2 days se wo bibia o pese wo sekire mpanimfo a no aba na de aba beto mpanimfo anim opani okasa de ma NPP amanyuku no vetting committee eyo pani obiamwa ne nsemo a wo de tudwa ene
and we got just a party that aka no my bit more qualified say constitutional matter under the 1992 constitution say high constitution and as a rules and regulations so who qualifier eventual report is who qualify now say here was say you do any year party that say which we go do other do am I a drada say I don't phone Rio before 5 we a reporter as general secretary report ni it was so na Pokoma party na yanto aso the share report that party share report na from already announced by say omo mba enim obi ahoso nti omo nto aso anasa ba ko de ara mienu ara mienza ya je omo ase omo ko appeal yanto aso
Observe be a more a Kasama for the MPP Amayukuno vetting committee. No.
Kokobo way a free electricity company of Ghana ECG ho and ebe almost say one more by your operation be a friend operation zero into one kasa wouldn't say we use electrical appliances. What sign your illegal connection at the connectors of one kasa why wife and saw baba bank chrono so much chewa or more and foul hun chow. So one kasa super so report on what any broma share yen never bought woman you be free as July Bosumen. No, Neda etoso duba kuno mo dia kowie September bosome neda etoso duba ko panyo ne atwetwe nkomo yewra Emmanuel Ham.
Ni ka say your revenue protection unit umo na itimi ede customers a umo in the connection ede umo farm no kwan itimi ko ewa itimi ede tafu na akoko itimi ede umo enya to court your processes are ede umo ede film na ede umo ama emanu umo ejenia tie your penalties are ya fact yɛde yɛka kwan a yɛtumi ɛfa so adidi yɛkanteɛ
Wukopiemu wepuye mantemu a wonu na yakasamafo edema Electricity Company of Ghana ECG onimonyafo Emmanuel Ham.
Na Cortes Control Commission impeding for so dem rebi akwa kotem raspeja ni mo watwene yem sem raspeja no ebegia tuma mo no mo de ahyase ye adwuma samran na be makwan amase bia opese wudua wi pa udua ne duduom ama amanfo toto bi de koye ndro ni ade a na yesi ama akwan mo akwa kotu sa na mo no and I'm small penny Ambrose Deria where so for sure my Ghana yefi sembambo ho nsensem so me che interior minister akyerechirem samra we raspeja no gitumu a emfaso a de bebre Ghana.
Mr. Speaker, where you and I come from, there's a popular vegetable called birr. Birr has a higher THC than 0.3%. Yet, it's not toxic and does not affect anybody acting in any ways that are unreasonable. Mr. Speaker, what we have, therefore, is that we are moving in tandem with a modern approach, including South Africa, Lesotho, Uganda, Zimbabwe, Malawi, Rwanda, and recently Zambia.
Opene Ambrose Derry Ghana interior minister.
Dr. George Akufo-Dampare, Inspector General of Police, IGP Atiesi for many video be nature go social media. Who are by school kwalebo koyoma tu chia womo so de omu ko school. Wasem kwala no say, womu nkrofo mo she police uniform anu mu dwane enu nti won penese enu enti no ono akasa ate esifom na say there was so de nani e police stations ahodo e kohwe say the police for no e bo adwuma pa se womu popo mani chiro manfo anaso mo de ahobrase
I'm trying to recover from the shock that I had after meeting the little ones who saw people who were supposed to protect them and they started running. So as to whether I'm fine or not, I'm still making a decision on it. But I know one thing, that is a good thing that we witnessed and we pick the relevant lessons and we are going to double our steps in trying to build partnership and engage the community for us to be able to win your hearts and minds, to win the hearts and minds of your elder siblings, the hearts and minds of your parents, the hearts and minds of your uncles, the hearts and minds of your grandparents, and more importantly, the hearts and minds of your little siblings whom we just discussed. So that's the assurance I want to give you. We are there because of you. We have witnessed something dramatic today, which is a gap in terms of the quality of service we provide for the communities, and more importantly, for you, the young ones.
Was a police ni aya wadamfo nti ye hu oma e ma yenwane police fo nso munni muhuni sabe ye hu mu a ye beba mo nchen we ye IGP Dr. George Ekufu Dampare
ye jawe suna no pay nsemo e baba no de besom no ye de mo senior sorry ama de ache bia dwumadi ato aso ye ne ye soma no pay na ya bo ama libia boga no pay mene
Ekuabo ache wa sempa etia